Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue Team Official channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will take you how to add motion blurs into your portrait videos inside um, Filmora X or all version of Filmora. It look like the same way of doing this. So now we gotta start point is to create a new project by clicking on this file and select on project setting and make sure that you have in the white screen here uh, and the resolution you don't need to change that because it already support with the HD version. And now we're gonna choose one more small thing is 30 frame per second. So now go ahead and click OK. And now we're gonna add one video here. Now I'm gonna show you the video is this video is in the portrait mode, and now I have already posted in TikTok, so you can follow me on the TikToks. So, and now we're gonna add this file to the timeline here. Now drag it like this, or you can add the file source by importing. So now we can see it, the black is appearing just the outside of the video, but sometimes we don't need to show this. We need some blur, and that blur is look like it is working like the same to the video. So to do that you need to don't know well about anything. So now go to the effects here. It is called effects. Now click on that and you will see the filter here. So go ahead and click on filter, and you will find the background blur. If you can find it by scrolling, you're gonna search it here by typing background. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna type in background. Okay, by typing blur bar here, and you will see the basic blur here. And some version they have the background blur, but some of the version have this basic blur, so it can be different if you are using the different version. I am using Filmora X, so it can be different from here, but don't worry about that. Just go ahead and search background blur or type in these two capital letter. Okay, now go ahead and drag it like this to the top of the screen here, and when we have to drag it to all the way long of the video like this, and you will see everything is appearing in the blur mode on the background. So if you want to play the videos is uh, you will see something that look like they are working the same to the video here. So this is the way that we're gonna make a blur outside the portrait videos. So thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more. So thank you.